Okay, you guys have been doing our Halloween themed kitty cats, and we've got another fun one for you. So this one we're starting a little bit different. I'm gonna start with a bottom of a pumpkin here. So we're just gonna kind of create a pumpkin-ish shape here on the bottom half of our rock. And then we're gonna start building our kitty cat. Now I don't wanna touch the bottom of that pumpkin because I don't want the colors to bleed yet. I'm gonna keep part of this head unpainted, but we're gonna start here and we'll do the other side of our head to about there. And we're gonna do one of our ears on this side, like that. And we can fill most of this in. We're gonna have the top of the pumpkin kind of at the top of the kitty cat. And I'm gonna actually change how I have the top of this because I want it to look like it's almost been cut off. So we don't wanna have the rounded part because the rounded part's gonna be up on our kitty cat's head. So we're gonna do that. We can start laying that top piece here. Like that, maybe off to this side a little bit so we're almost the same. And then we will arch like that. All right, we're gonna have to use some dry time in here. I really don't want my orange to bleed with the gray, so we'll go ahead and let this dry. Lucky for you, I can speed right through that. Okay, so our edges are getting pretty dry here, so we can start to add a few other things. So we're gonna have our body that's gonna go into the pumpkin here. So just adding a little body at the top. And we're also gonna have our tail, but I wanna have a hole in the side of the pumpkin where it's coming out. So we will actually, you can make his tail curl at the top a little bit if you want to, but we're gonna have that come all the way onto the pumpkin just slightly, like that. Okay, I got a little orange in there, so I'll have to make sure that I touch that up in a little bit. We can add on our stem up here as well to our pumpkin. And instead of doing, I guess I could have done my stem in green. Instead of doing the lines on the pumpkin with the black, we are going to go back in just with a darker orange to create those lines, but I am going to line the outside with my black. So we'll just go ahead and kind of line some of this stuff out. And then you can decide, I got a straight cut on here, but I almost want to come back. I think it'd be cooler to have it cut because that's how we usually do our pumpkins. So let's go back this way. Okay, and then we're going to kind of create this hole that this is kind of coming out of. And now since I want the zigzag, you do want them to match. So we need 1, 2, 3, 4 points here, and then we'll fill them in with orange. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. And we'll come back and get those nice and orange here once that black dries just a smidge. So let's go ahead and add on some of our kitty face. That part of the body up here. All right. So like I said, we'll do orange lines for kind of the ribs in the pumpkin. Just makes it easier, not as dark. There we go. And then let's fill in these top areas here with our orange. Now, when you're going on top of another color, that especially if you're not sure if it's 100% dry, use more of a dabbing motion instead of too much of a pull. Just, it makes it a little bit easier to get it to lay on top sometimes if you're impatient like I am and you're going in there pretty quick. Also need to touch up here. A little gray. A couple of those places. That was so cute. Little pink in the nose. And we forgot our whiskers. So I always fill the nose in pretty good. You can go back with your lining and clean that up. All right. I think I do want to come back and do a green in my stem, just because adding a little pop of green to this will give it some more color. So what I'm actually going to do, so that my vine is green but it's lined, we aren't going to want a super thick outline around something like our stem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw the stem in my black, and then I can go back right on top of the black to do my green. And since if you do it with the black first, when you do the green, you can make it overlap a little bit, which is kind of fun. So I have a little low spot there. So go ahead and add on stems. You can add it in both directions if you want to. We'll let that dry completely, and then we're going to come back with our green. All right, so final touches here. We're going to take our green and very carefully pull it out as far as we can into that stem. And like I said, you can decide on the layering here. So if you go all the way around, pick up for a second before you come out on the other side, and it will give it that layered look. Oh, I almost went with the green. Gotta touch up the kitty nose here. Just like that. Little outlines here and there, but this kitty is ready. And he is just adorable. So I hope you enjoyed this cute little kitty for fall. And we've got one more left. I'll show the picture of all of the kitties here that we've got going on for Halloween. So I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. We'll be back again soon with something else fun. Bye-bye.